Mr. Prakasha contacted me 5 years or 6 years back when I was there to receive my national award for Pinja. That was the time he mentioned this film to me, and he said that he was thinking of taking me in the film. And then we all forgot about it, and it happened 2 years back when he called me over to his office and narrated me the film. And then 1 year after the narration, we started shooting. It was the role of Duryodhan, and it was larger than life yet believable. And there was a challenge that I should work on getting the sympathy for the character. So definitely these are the three elements which is very, very difficult to get in one performance.
खलबली मच गई। सिंगल पॉइंट एजेंडा है कि कैसे हमारी एकता तोड़े। करारा जवाब मिलेगा, करारा जवाब मिलेगा।
I have used a lot of things that Prakash ji told me. At the same time, I have added my own things. I have added my own experience and observation from my life. So if you see the speech, I have used Mr. Atal Bihari Vajpayee's a little bit of gesture, the way he speaks. So I have used body language of a person that I have seen in my life. So I use little bit of mine everywhere. I have many favorite lines in the films. राजनीति में मुर्दे कभी गाड़े नहीं जाते, उन्हें जिंदा रखा जाता है ताकि टाइम आने पर वो बोले. These are nice lines that he's written for me. Fall in line, वाह कार्यकारी अध्यक्ष महोदय, नगर पालिका का चुनाव तो लड़े नहीं आज तक, अब माधोपुर. तो these are some very good lines.
राजनीति में मुर्दे कभी गाड़े नहीं जाते, उन्हें जिंदा रखा जाता है ताकि टाइम आने पर वो बोले.
You always get to learn from your co-actors, be it senior or junior or contemporary. All of them have something to offer. Nasir, I have learnt always from his performances. Nana has been terrific in his career. Ajay has been superlative in the choice of films that he's done. Arjun has shown potential in recent time. Ranveer is showing sincerity in choosing his films and improving with every film. Katrina, now she wants to get away from the kind of films she was known for, and she wants to be really known as an actress, and she has shown so much sincerity and potential in Rajniti, and she's done so much of hard work that we all saluted her for. Mr. Prakash has a strong point is that he's very disciplined. He's very organized. He doesn't leave a gap, to be filled up during the shoot. He prepares himself very well. He takes around 6 months, 8 months time, 10 months time to prepare his shooting, and he takes 2 years, 3 years to write the script. So he focuses so much on pre-production and the script that there is nothing left to be done on the days of the shoot. His great strength is his command over the milieu that he comes from, and the socio-economical and the political issue, the aspect that he's so good at, that you just stand there, listen to him and perform. You don't expect success, but you definitely want success. You want to be part of a successful film. You want your films to do well and earn money to the producer. When after having watched the film, I thought it will do well, but to do so well that it will create new records, I have never expected. Mr. Mahesh Bhatt has called me up, and he has appreciated, he's complimented me on my performance. Mr. Naseeruddin Shah has complimented me. So these are very favorite people of mine. Karara jawab milega.